Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
This is me again, Roha Brinner, ang inyong malindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Well guys, today vlog is we're going to unboxing the what do you call it? The cutter with vacuum for my dogs. Ayan guys, I bought some in Amazon. Ayan, kasi guys, you know mga kalindog, it's hard to cut Douglas hair. So ayan mga kalindog, I will show you. Daran! So ayan mga kalindog, let's open na. And the second part is we're going to try this machine, how to work or how to use for Douglas hair or for my Victorious and Lucky. You know guys? So ayan ha. So it's open na natin. Ayan, unboxing. So ayan mga kalindog. Tama nga ba? It is right, yes. So ayan mga kalindog. Because last week, I cut Douglas hair. Ayan, it's very hard talaga guys. It's take time. It's like 2 hours or 3 hours to cut Douglas hair. And I'm scared to bring Douglas sa mga dog cutter na mga dahil maybe he get hurt, you know. So that's why I do it by myself. Ayan, mga kalindog. So there we go. This is Toya. Ayan, may kasama siyang Toya. Of course, ayan. Ito ang tinatawag one Izal. Ayan. Wait guys, hirapan ako. So ayan mga kalindog. This is it. Ayan, there we go guys. O diba? Did you see? Pet grooming kit and vacuum. Ayan. So it's mean the grooming for the pet and vacuum. Ayan. One into two. Ayan guys. So, diba? May pakita ko rin sa inyo. So, there we go. We see. The pet grooming vacuum. So, ayan guys. I'm excited. Tignan natin. Let's see. Ayan, diba? Try natin siya. O, diba? Ayan, guys. There we go. Ayan. Para hindi na tayo gupit. O, ayan. Meron siyang sariling lalagyan or ayan guys, dito ilalagay. So let's do it. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? Vacuum na vacuum ang page. And there we go. Ayan, para sa this is ayan mga kalindog. Kita ko lang sa inyo. And there we go. Ayan guys. Ito ang there we go. Ayan. Diba? Kaya mga kalindog, how to open this. So, di ko pa to alam guys. Push also. Oh, there we go. Ayan nga. Ayan guys. We need to push here. Ayan, lalabas ang kanyang comb. Ayan, pang suklay. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, at let's see kung nasaan ang gupitan or where's the grooming. I think this, ayan guys. This is for the grooming. Ayan. For, ayan, to cut the hair. Ayan. Push also again. Ayan guys. Push also again. And lalabas ang kanyang scissor. There we go. You see? So, this is nice. So, itatry natin siya maybe next time. Not now, but next time. Because I'm tired mga kalindog. Sorry. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo mga. Ayan, naglaglaga na. They're all falling. Ayan mga kalindog. So you need to see. Ito na yung kanyang vacuum. Ayan. But we will try to figure out kung paano siya, how to use it. Ayan guys, oh. Ito yung kanyang pagtubo yan, vacuum. And of course, ayan ang stand. They need to stand like this, ayan guys. So, diba? Beautiful. And there we go guys. Ayan, diba? Ito yung, do you remember, we have also when you were going to the grooming or you need to cutting. So there, ayan, naglalaglagan na guys. Wait. So ayan, ganyan siya mga kalindog. So ayan mga kalindog. Diba? Ayan. So ilalagay dito yung vacuum and then pag the vacuum. O diba? So ayan mga kalindog. We will try this. Oh. So ayan mga kalindog. How many minutes na tayo? So we are ready. So wait lang mga kalindog ha. So ayan mga kalindog. Sorry. Ayan dahil kinuha ni Lucky ito. He get it. He bite it. So ayan mga kalindog. Wait lang. So, ayan, di ba? So, ayan, tulad niya, mga kalindog. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Ayan. Lucky. Oh my God. Itong mga aso ko, guys. So, ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, this is it. Ayan. This is how to use it, this groom. So, we need to figure it out, mga kalindog. Not now, not today, but tomorrow. So, ayan. So, complete. So, ayan mga kalindog, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. So, pakita ko sa inyo bukas paano siya mag-work. So, paano siya gamitin, right? So, ayan mga kalindog, thank you. Bye. Don't forget to smile. Hello guys! Ayan, this is now our machine for the Douglas grooming. Ayan, the grooming for the dog. So, now we're going to use it for Douglas. Come Douglas here. So, there we go Douglas guys. Ayan, this is Douglas. Wait, I will show you more. So, there we go. So, we're going to cut Douglas hair mga kalindo. Let's put Douglas here. See here? Lucky, 9. So, ayan guys. So, let's turn on the vacuum. There we go. You hear that? Ow! And this is now the grooming cutter. So, guys, let's see. So, there we go guys. So, this is Douglas before. Show you. So, ayan guys, this is much better than scissor. So yan guys, cut natin na ang buhok nito. So, let's dry it. So, let's dry it. Lagyan natin dito guys para kita ninyo kami. Ayan, much better. So, yeah, there we go. Ayan guys, very easy to cut. Like the dog. Ayan guys, we changed the cutter millimeter, 18 millimeter. Ayan. Kasi it's not too long. So, ayan. Alexa, house! So, there we go guys. So, it's working. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo, no? Blind ka, Douglas. Blind ka. So ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo later on. Guys, so this is also good for the human hair. Let's try it. Good for everyone. What we do it?
Kannst du anmachen.
So as before, you're gonna cut his hair. Yan, kita nyo, it's long. And this is the grooming machine or that, no? So guys, let's start. So now Douglas, after, o diba, his hair is already shorter. Short hair already, right? That's it, Douglas. Guys, Douglas, sit. Sit, Lucky. Sit. Eine for Douglas und eine for Lucky. So, there we go. Lucky and Victoria. So, again with Douglas because I cut Douglas here. So, ayan mga kalindog. That's it. Douglas is handsome again after grooming. O, diba? There we go. After grooming Douglas. Right? So, ayan guys. After Douglas grooming, ayan. So, my dog or Douglas is already handsome again. So, ayan mga kalindog. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video for Douglas grooming machine. So ayan mga kalindog ha, bumili na kayo noon. It's very useful at saka you don't need to go now to the dog grooming or the dog parlor because it's so expensive, 50 euro. So thank you mga kalindog, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to skip the ads and don't forget to smile. Bye guys, bye.